So hello mga ka-J-Vlog, Maring Ana is here. So for today's video and content, we are going to discuss about camera test and video sample ng ating Redmi Note 14. So okay ba yung presyo ni Redmi Note 14 when it comes sa kanyang camera? So let's go mga ka-J-Vlog, check natin. So yes mga ka-J-Vlog, ang content natin for today is yung ating Redmi Note 14. So before we start, I just want to share some quick short specification lang when it comes sa ating Redmi Note 14. So si Redmi Note 14 is a budget-friendly smartphone that features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. It also has 108-megapixel main camera or rear camera and 20-megapixel selfie camera. When it comes naman sa gaming processor, or sa processor ni Redmi Note 14, it runs on MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra processor with 8GB of RAM. This budget-friendly smartphone is also a Android 14 OS and it is covered by the HyperOS software. Good thing about this smartphone, there's also an under-display fingerprint scanner, 4G LTE connectivity, Dolby Atmos audio, stereo speaker, and either 128GB or 256GB of expandable storage. So, biruin nyo mga ka-J-Vlog, sa presyo na may offer ni Redmi Note 14, specification pa lang is good quality na kagad siya. And the best part about this budget-friendly smartphone, it is already a 5,500 mAh battery capacity with 33 watts fast charging technology. This Redmi Note 14 also have 4 variants of color: midnight black, ocean blue, lime green, and also mist purple. When it comes sa presyo, meron silang 2 variants which is 8GB and 128GB, that is 8,999 pesos. And the 8GB 256GB, that is 9,999 pesos. And that is the price in the Philippines. Again mga ka-J-Vlog, pwede nyo po i-purchase ito sa Shopee. Just go ahead and check sa mga preferred or mga mall seller, yung mga, alam nyo, mga legit seller dyan. So, going back mga ka-J-Vlog, ito nga pala yung ating Redmi Note 14. So, this was purchased, I don't know when, but we already have an unboxing video dito sa ating Redmi Note 14. So, this color is ocean blue. As you can see, parang na talaga siyang iPhone 11. Na nakikita ko sa kanya yung itsura ng iPhone 11, to be honest. And that is actually the good thing about some mga Android phone ngayon, no? Talagang nakakasunod na sila sa mga, talagang nakakasunod na sila sa mga viral or sa mga trending na itsura ng mga gadget as of today. So, sa baba, nandito ang SIM tray, of course, your charger, charging port, yung speaker, ayan. Tapos, nandito yung power button, volume rocker sa side. Dito din yung speaker, sensor, mouthpiece, and then nandito din yung pang earphone jack, sorry. And that's it. Sa side, that is a plain details lang. As you can see, napakaganda talaga ng quality or napakaganda ng design ng phone na to. So look at that. Meron silang small and aesthetic brand name in here, which is the Redmi Note, sorry. Ayan. And look at the display. And sa presyo niya din, good thing na naka-punch hole display na din ang Android phone na to. Usually kasi meron pa talagang phone na hindi pa nakaka-upgrade when it comes sa display sa kanilang front or selfie camera. They're still using the notch display. Napakalit lang din naman ng ikakat nila. For example, mas okay nga din talaga na full screen display ka na tapos naka-punch hole ka pa, diba? So let's proceed na checking first the setting of this phone. So let's go ahead and proceed sa about phone. Nilower ko lang yung brightness ng phone na to. So about phone, ayan, HyperOS siya. There you go. And that's it mga ka-J-Vlog, yung ating quick look when it comes dito sa Redmi Note 14. Let's proceed to the main reason kung bakit tayo nag-video right now. And that is the camera test. So as you can see, sa back camera niya, meron siyang 1 times up until 2, 3, and we can zoom this one up until, hold on, sorry for that, up until 20 times yung zoom in ng phone na to. So, we also have portrait, ayan, night, more. Sa more na dito yung 108 megapixel feature nila, panorama, slow motion, dual video. Let's try to take a sample ng dual video nila, time-lapse, long exposure, and edit. So, meron din tayong video in here, documents. Ito yung maganda dito, may documents na siya. The best din na feature ng mga phones ngayon na meron na silang documents, which is big help din sa mga estudyante, right? So, meron ding pro in here. So, sa selfie camera, ayan, let's try to capture selfie camera first. Let me, yeah. So, selfie camera ito. By the way, meron din pala sila ditong feature na beautify. Yan, if you want to smooth your skin, tone down your skin, have a contour, makeup, and slender your face, they have an option in here. So, let's not use that one. So, let's proceed to this one. Take a selfie first. Wait, let me wipe the camera first and then. One more. Let's take it. I'll be inserting some clips in here sa mga gamit namin dito sa bahay, okay? But this, I'll just take a quick picture. Ayan. So, ito yung times 1, times 2, and then 3. That is 3. Nanginginig yung kamay ko, my God. Let's try to check. So, ito yung times, let's, hold on. Yan. Kasi hindi nyo siya makikita kasi maliwanag siya masyado. But this is the times 3. That is 2 times zoom in. And also, this is the normal zoom in, which is times 1. 1 times 1. Ayan. So, meron ding watermark. So, meron ding watermark dito ng Redmi Note 14 and also date. You have an option to customize that. So, let's try to check. Also, portrait. Okay. So, may option ka din if ever na gusto mong sobrang blur yung back mo. Ayan, may option ka niyan. So, try natin yan sa atin. I-blur natin ng sobra yung likod natin. Ayan. Mukha naman tayong pagod dito. Grabe naman. Grabe. Ay, naka-rotate pa. Pero ang ganda ng quality ng portrait niya. Let's try here na medyo maliwanag. Ano ba yan? Ang dilim kasi, Inday. Diyos mayo. Ano kasi yung mata ko sa sobrang liwanag, kaya talaga yung phone ko, naka sobrang pinakamababa na brightness. So, as you can see, yan yung quality ng camera ng ating Redmi Note 14. And, let's try to check the video naman. So, front-facing muna tayo. So, I'll just ponytail my hair. Yan. Okay. Just like that. Okay. So, yung front camera naman natin ito. Ko po. Video sample of Xiaomi Redmi Note 14. This is the front-facing camera. As you can see. Ayan. I'm not sure kung bakit, pero medyo blurry siya on my end. Video sample of Xiaomi Redmi Note 14. This is the front-facing camera, as you can see. Ayan. Next naman is try natin yung back camera ng phone na to. So this is a video sample of our Xiaomi Redmi Note 14, as you can see. Ayan, let's try to focus this phone sa ating ring in here. Ayan. Zoom in, like 2 times zoom in. That is the zoom 2, 3, ayan. Medyo hindi na siya nagpo-focus. There. So, 3, up until 6. So, 6 yan. Ayan yung 6 natin. Pasensya nyo na dahil nanginginig po ang ating kamay. And then, that is our setup. As you can see, ayan. So, medyo bago ang setup natin ngayon. Hindi tayo sa station ko kasi gabi na. That's the video sample of Redmi Note 14 when it comes sa back camera niya. So this is a video sample of our Xiaomi Redmi Note 14. As you can see, ayan, let's try to focus this phone sa ating ring in here. Ayan, zoom in, like 2 times zoom in. That is the zoom 2, 3, ayan. Medyo hindi na siya nagpo-focus. There. So 3, up until 6. So 6 yan. Ayan yung 6 natin. Pasensya nyo na dahil nanginginig po ang ating kamay. And then, that is our setup. As you can see, ayan. So, medyo bago ang setup natin ngayon. Hindi tayo sa station ko kasi gabi na. And, ayan. That is our, zoom natin siya up until 20. 6, sorry. Up until 6. Sa video pala, up until 6 lang ang zoom niya. So, ayan yung 6 niya. Medyo marami na siyang noise, of course, syempre. Video sample of Xiaomi Redmi Note 14. This is the front-facing camera. As you can see. Ayan. I'm not sure kung bakit, pero medyo blurry siya on my end. But I'll go ahead and try. Let's try to jump. Charis. So that's the front-facing camera.
So video sample of front-facing camera of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 4G. So yan, same lang naman ang resolution sa rear at front camera. Full HD 1080p at 60 FPS. Ayan siya. Ano? Ayun o. So video sample rear camera of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14. Ayan. So, okay rin naman. Ayan, nandito tayo sa Baguio City. Medyo na-expose masyado yung light niya. Ayan, no? Okay. So, Full HD 1080p at 60 FPS ang kanyang video quality, mga ka-J-Vlog.
So, let's go ahead and answer your question. So, Maring Ana, okay po ba si Redmi Note 14? Sa presyo niya ba, okay ba? Or makakatarungan ba yung presyo ni Redmi Note 14 when it comes sa kanyang camera? For me, mga ka-Jibal, yes, it was a 10 out of 10. Siguro dahil hindi naman siguro ako ganun ka-picky when it comes sa camera. Aside from that, maayos at malinaw naman yung camera ni Redmi Note 14. Hindi naman siya katulad ng mga ibang Android phone or yung mga old version ng Android phone dati na talagang makikita mo na pangit yung quality ng camera. But this phone gives you a high quality or superb quality sa kanyang videos and also sa kanyang mga camera pictures. So, for me, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Aside from the details or the design of this smartphone na para na talagang iPhone 11, masasabi ko na sulit yung pagbili nyo dito sa Redmi Note 14. Pag gagamitin nyo siya for vlogging or for example, magsisimula kayong mag-vlog or capturing some moments like that. Aside from that, pwede nyo na din siyang gamitin actually kasi ngayon uso na yung Reels, right? But I'm not sure yet when it comes sa TikTok kasi sa TikTok kasi mga ka-J-Vlog, hindi ko pa talaga siya natatry but I'll try to make short video. You just have to check my TikTok which is a.storiesph. Yun po yung TikTok shop, sorry. Yun yung TikTok account ko na makikita nyo yung sample ko when it comes sa ating Redmi Note 14. So that's it mga ka-J-Vlog. I hope na nakatulong ako sa inyo na very very light lang naman when it comes sa checking ng quality ng camera ng ating Redmi Note 14. Once again mga ka-J-Vlog, thank you so much for watching. And if ever na may mga comments kayo, just comment down below. I'll go ahead and check that. If ever na may mga suggestion kayo, kung ano pa yung mga contents na pwede natin gawin, go ahead and comment down below. Sasagutin po natin yan, okay? So that's it mga ka-J-Vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, my name is Maring Ana and thank you so much for watching. Bye-ers!